Imagine flying a drone without ever worrying about where your camera is pointing. What if you could simply focus on flying, enjoying the thrill of the sky, and then frame the perfect cinematic shot later on your computer? That idea might sound futuristic, but it may soon become reality thanks to a brand new drone leak. A mysterious teaser video recently appeared online and immediately caught the attention of the entire drone community. The short clip showed a sweeping perspective that looked like it was capturing everything around the drone at once. Naturally, speculation exploded across the internet. People started asking the same two questions. What is this drone, and how much will it cost? Soon after that teaser, the mystery finally cleared up. The company revealed the name, the DJI Avata 360. Along with the name came a bold tagline, "Above it all, see it all." Reports suggest this could be an 8K flagship drone capable of recording full 360-degree video, capturing every direction simultaneously. Instead of worrying about camera angles during flight, the drone records everything around it. You fly first, and later choose the exact angle you want during editing. That could completely transform aerial filmmaking. Another interesting rumor suggests the camera can switch between full 360-degree recording and a traditional forward-facing mode. That means the drone could work both as a cinematic FPV drone and as an immersive 360-degree camera platform. Under the hood, it is expected to feature DJI's new O4 video transmission system, possibly with optional 4G backup connectivity. Early listings suggest the base model could start around $459, with a Fly More combo closer to $939. If that pricing turns out to be accurate, it could make high-quality 360-degree aerial filmmaking much more accessible. But DJI may not be stopping there. A new leak has also revealed the front design of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. The image shows a brand new dual camera system, with a telephoto lens on top and a wide-angle lens below. This design could finally solve one of the biggest problems of previous models, limited zoom capability. Rumors suggest the camera may include a 50-megapixel sensor, 6K video at 60 frames per second, and advanced AI subject tracking. At the same time, DJI's DJI Neo 2 is targeting beginners with a lightweight and easy-to-fly design. While DJI claims up to 19 minutes of flight time, real-world flying may be closer to 11 or 12 minutes, meaning extra batteries will likely be essential. Taken together, these new products show how quickly DJI is reshaping the creator landscape. From immersive 360-degree drones to compact vlogging cameras and beginner-friendly drones, the future of content creation is looking incredibly exciting. And the next few launches could change aerial filmmaking forever.